Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. Then in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to quickly update your Lovable account, guys. This is an amazing platform, so I can really imagine that at some point you really would want to upgrade. So how do you do that? Once you're inside your account, click your profile in the upper right hand side or your workspace, and within the menu options here, go ahead and click on settings. Now from here, click on billings and payments on the left hand side, and here you will see if you're on a free account or not. With a free account, you get only 5 daily credits, but if you upgrade to a pro or teams plan, you have 100 credits per month. Now you can choose whichever option you have. Both of them come with their own different perks. So all you have to do, guys, is just go ahead and choose to upgrade. So let's say I want a pro plan. I'm going to click on upgrade, and you will see it takes me over to where I can quickly fill in my method of payment and subscribe to the plan. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. For any reason you have a promotional code, you can always click and add promotional code right here to enter the promotional code, and so that you can get even better discount. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.